In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Claude AI on Chrome using a simple step-by-step process. If you want quick and easy access to Claude directly from your browser, installing it as a Chrome extension can save you a lot of time and make your workflow much smoother. Don't worry if you've never installed a browser extension before, because I'll guide you through everything in a very simple, beginner-friendly way so you can follow along without any confusion. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're using an updated version of Chrome because older versions may not display the latest extension options correctly. Now look at the top right corner of your browser and click on the three-dot menu. This is where most of Chrome's settings and tools are located. From the drop-down menu, hover over the option labeled Extensions, then click on Manage Extensions. This will open a new page where you can view all installed extensions and control them. If you've never used this section before, think of it as the control center for everything related to browser add-ons. Now, on this page, look for a button or link that says Open Chrome Web Store and click on it. This will take you to the official Chrome Web Store, which is the safest place to install extensions. Once you're inside the Chrome Web Store, you'll see a search bar at the top left. Click inside the search bar and type Claude AI, or simply Claude, then press Enter. You will now see a list of available extensions related to your search. At this stage, it is very important that you choose carefully. Always look for the official Claude AI extension by checking the developer name, ratings, and reviews. Avoid anything that looks unofficial or has very low ratings because you want to make sure you're installing the correct and safe version. Once you've confirmed the official extension, click on it to open the full details page. Here you will see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Go ahead and click on that button. A small pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the permissions. These permissions allow the extension to interact with your browser so it can function properly and provide Claude AI features directly inside Chrome. Click on Add Extension to confirm the installation. Now Chrome will begin installing the extension automatically. After a few seconds, you should see a confirmation message saying the extension has been successfully added. At this point, Claude AI is now installed in your Chrome browser. To start using it, you may need to sign in with your Claude account. Simply follow the login prompts and connect your account. Depending on the features you want to use, some advanced options may require a pro or paid plan, but basic access is usually available once you're logged in. Once everything is set up, you can access Claude AI directly from your browser without needing to open the website every time. And that's it. Now you know how to install Claude AI on Chrome step by step and set it up for easy access. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to leave a like because it really helps support the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple AI tutorials, Chrome tips, and easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.